placement series. Today we have one placed candidate who recently got placed in a company. So let us get to know about his experience.
Hi ma'am, I'm Barney. I have joined QSpiders in September 2023. I have taken Python full stack development team and I have completed its course and I have placed in a company recently. I have gained more knowledge and experience on technical fields in QSpiders. All the facilities helped me to clear the doubts and they told me what are the concepts important for the interview and how to prepare for the interviews. They, when I am interview, mostly they are asking mostly about basics. If they are strong in basics, they can crack the interview very easily, and that's why I cracked the interview very easily.
Can you give any suggestions to the future students who are going to attend the interviews?
First of all, they need to very strong in the basics and know about many advanced little bit of knowledge in advanced concepts. That's useful for them.
Like, can you tell how you prepare for your interviews, and that will be helpful for the students?
Mostly I concentrate on basics and OOPS concepts. But first we need to understand everything, how it's working, how to write the code, how the code is writing. We need to trace the code and we need to learn deeply about the basic concept of OOPS concept. Then we can learn some new thing about libraries of time, something about, and that's how I prepare for the use.